Welcome to this video on Indian standards for marine electrical installations. We will explore how these essential standards ensure safety and reliability for shipboard systems operating up to 1,000 volts. Ships face a hostile ocean environment. With constant pitching and rolling, marine electrical systems are designed to survive the continuous motion and extreme conditions found at sea. Engineering for the sea requires strict adherence to tolerance baselines. Whether in general areas or machinery spaces, systems must account for high temperatures, power fluctuations, and constant vibration. Steering systems are critical services. Standards demand absolute reliability for these systems, with primary and secondary controls, along with comprehensive alarms to prevent potential disaster. Redundancy is a core principle. By using separate circuits, a fire in one area won't disable the entire ship. SOLAS regulations even mandate emergency power restoration in just 45 seconds. Shipboard cables are built tough. Manufacturers test them to survive water immersion and ensure they can withstand 3 times their rated voltage for extended periods. Energy storage, like large battery banks, presents unique hazards. Due to the emission of flammable gases, strict ventilation requirements are enforced, and batteries are strictly prohibited in sleeping quarters. Battery compartments must be protected. Whether using lead-acid or alkaline batteries, the compartments require specialized linings to prevent corrosion and protect the ship's hull from electrolyte damage. Proper cable routing is essential for safety. Installers ensure cables follow straight, protected paths, avoiding high heat zones like boilers and steam pipes to prevent damage. When cables pass through watertight bulkheads, they use stuffed glands. These include flame-retardant packing to maintain the integrity of the bulkhead and prevent the spread of fire. Switchgear and transformers are vulnerable to leaks. To keep them safe, installation rules forbid flanged pipes above them and use drip trays to protect the ship's bilges. Effective earthing and lightning protection are vital. Copper wiring bonds metal parts to the hull, and dedicated conductors help disperse lightning strikes safely into the water. During the commissioning phase, thorough insulation testing is performed. Experts use precision meters to verify that circuits meet the required megohm standards for safe operation. Commissioning also includes dynamic load testing. Generators are run at full capacity, while inspectors verify vibration levels and the effectiveness of protective devices against overcurrents. In summary, these marine standards integrate every component of ship architecture. Through redundancy, testing, and rigorous design, they ensure maritime safety in the most demanding environments.